Hi friends, it's Jody with Squiggly Doodles. Let's draw this super fun picture. Come on, let's get doodling. All right, let's draw our black and white cow. So the very first thing we're going to do right in the middle of our paper is draw two circles. One about this size, and we're going to leave a little bit of space, about a finger's worth, and make the same size if you can, like that. And then inside, go ahead and draw two more circles, and then color black around. This cow is going to be a black and white cow, so all we're going to use today is one black marker, and that's it. But you could use a pencil and then go back in with a black crayon or marker or whatever you have. Or if you don't want to make a black and white cow, you can choose and do any color you'd like, because this is your art. Now right above the eyes, we're going to go ahead and just make two little lines showing that he has some eyebrows. Okay, now right below there, we're going to go ahead and draw one oval shape like this, and it's going to go up to the eyes and then come around. So you're just going to go here, make an oval shape, and go all the way around like that. And that's okay if this takes some practice, and if you mess up your line, you can also keep going around and make it thicker. All right, so now that we have this shape inside, right in the middle, we're going to make two more ovals, but these are kind of long and sideways like this. That is the nostrils. And if you wanted to leave a little bit of white, you can. Or you could fill them in completely black. It's up to you. I think since that marker went ahead and filled them in, I'm just going to fill mine in too. Sometimes things don't always work out in art, but that's okay, because again, it's not perfect, it's fun. Okay, so my cow is going to have a sideways smile, just to add a little bit of character. It's going to go up, and then I'm going to make just a little line like that. It's starting to come and starting to look like a cow now. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to draw two lines on each side, connecting up and making a head. We don't want it to be too far up, because then it's not going to look like a cow. It needs to be more round, but we want to leave a little bit of room above the eye. We don't want it too close to the eye either. So we're just going to take a line here and go ahead and do that line on the other side so they're about even, and then you're just going to connect them with a round shape like this, and go back down. And there is a very funny looking head, but it'll look better once we add ears. So the first thing I'm gonna do actually is draw horns on each side, right in between, like where the eyes are, they're gonna be horns. So I'm leaving the space to know over here's one and over there's one. And all that they really are is kind of curved in triangles. So on this side, I'm just gonna make a curved line going up and then bring it back down. And then on this side, curved line going up, and I want them to be the same height. So I could draw an imaginary line and make a mark. And going down, just like that. And we can make them a little fatter. I think I want mine a little fatter. So I'm actually gonna go down a little bit like this, because we're gonna be coloring these in black. So it's okay that I did that. So if you need to change the shape of your cow's horns a little bit, now is a great time to do it. All right, so now let's go ahead and draw our cow's ears. And these are just kind of ovals going off the sides of the head. So one will go off over here and kind of curve in. And then we'll do another one. We want it to be around the same size. So if it helps to kind of draw this and then go right back and kind of draw that same shape, you could. I like to just make a mark and like make an imaginary line and make a mark there, because then I know the ear ends there and it started right where the horn and the head is. So I'll just kind of draw a shape and curve it back in to meet, like that. All right, so now let's go ahead and draw our cow body. If you go right where the nostrils are and just go down a little bit, we're going to make a V right here, like this. One side can be a little higher. This is a very easy, cute cow to draw. Now, what we're going to do with this V, on each side, we're going to make two circle, like oval shapes again. One right there and one right here. And they're kind of sideways going down. That is the bottom of the cow's feet. And then we're going to draw two lines connecting like this. So over here, a curved line connecting, and over here, a curved line connecting. And you want it to be a curve, not straight, because cows are curvy. Now, on each side, we're going to go ahead and draw a smaller oval shape there, like it's kind of tucked behind, and another one there, like that. And then we're going to just draw on both sides, kind of where like we left our V. You can make an imaginary mark if that helps, like that. And then just make a little curved line on both sides, like that. And then if you'd like, go ahead and color in the bottom of our cow's feet. And then the last detail I'm gonna add, well, one of the last, is a tail. So we're just gonna have a little tail like this. I just drew like a curved line. You could also do it on that side. You can decide. I'm gonna make it be a little fatter, and then as it gets closer to the top, it meets. And then we're gonna draw like a circle shape with a tip. So if it helps, you could just draw a little circle, and then on top, you can make a triangle like that. And we made like a teardrop shape, and you can go ahead and color that in. Oh, I forgot to color a foot. I got too ahead of myself. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Okay, so now I'm gonna add my fun black marks, and you can do this too anywhere you like. All you're gonna do is just make some funny little shapes, and make sure you add some on the sides, because that shows that it's almost like 3D, like there's shapes behind there too. And you can make them big, little, all kinds, whatever you would like to do, just like that. So now that my cow has all these fun shapes, I'm going to go ahead and color in black. time that I would look at my picture and just decide if I wanted to add any more little shapes to color in. So if you have like a big open spot, you might want to add another shape, but you don't have to. It's up to you. And that is how you draw a cute little cow. I hope you liked this video today. Thank you so much for watching and drawing with me. View our descriptions below and see links to our worksheets and other really fun items. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching today. I hope you had a lot of fun. And if you did, follow us, like us, and subscribe to our Instagram, our YouTube channel, Facebook page, and website.